So today I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be bringing with me on my little 2-day getaway to Yosemite with my husband as far as food and the things that I like to have with me on hand to make sure that I stay on track. Stick around. Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based way of eating. Here you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that's something you're into, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. So today I'm getting ready to go out of town. My husband and I are going to spend a couple days in Yosemite. We're going to be staying outside of the park at an Airbnb, and which is really great because that way I know that I can bring my own food, I can cook if I need to, and I don't have to rely on going out. We probably will go out to dinner one night, either have Thai food or Mexican food. Those are two good places to get vegan options. But for the most part, for breakfast and lunch, I'm going to bring my own food. I'll zoom in for a closer look so you guys can see the things I'm going to be bringing for my breakfast, lunch, and snacks. So the first items I'm going to show you are my breakfast choices, my breakfast options. I make a nice big tofu scramble and I will add those to my high protein bagels, and that's going to be a breakfast option. So I've got plenty of protein, I've got a nice amount of fiber, and then I will also have a banana if I want, if I'm still hungry. So that's a really good option, is just to make a big batch of tofu scramble, take it with you, get your favorite bagels or bread or whatever, and then I'm just gonna make a nice little breakfast sandwich, and that's gonna be perfect. We usually get up quite early to start the day, so I'll probably just do a smoothie. I'll use my CHIMP protein powder, and because I don't really like to get up and eat breakfast right away. So I'll have my smoothie first, and then I'll take my sandwich with me, and then I'll eat that like mid-morning, and then we'll have lunch later on. And then I always bring a little bit of oatmeal just in case maybe I'm not in the mood for a sandwich. I don't know, I like to have some oatmeal with me just in case. I got my blueberries, and I'll take along my cinnamon and all that just in case they don't have it at the Airbnb. And then I always start my morning off with some 4 Sigmatic mushroom coffee, and I use the little whole earth monk fruit and stevia sweetener. I have these little individual packets I take when I travel. And of course, I can't forget my soy milk because that's going to go into my smoothie. I'll put it in my oatmeal. I'll put it in my coffee. So that's always a staple as well. All right, now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for lunch. And then for lunch, I'll make a sandwich using my turkey lunch meat. It's made out of tofu. And I'll put links or the recipes to all this stuff in the description box, okay? Along with, I have a discount code for my protein powder. Now these were an experiment that kind of went a little haywire. These are supposed to be millet buns, and they kind of came out like cupcakes. So I need to get an actual silicone bun container so I can make buns. And these were just in a jumbo cupcake tin thing, so it didn't really work out. But what I'm going to do, which I thought I'm so clever, I'm just going to cut this in thirds and I'll just make little sandwiches. What I like to put on my sandwich is some hummus, avocado, my little turkey here, and then I'll add lettuce, tomato, and it's a really filling, delicious lunch. I like to take along these little individual yogurts, and I'll add a little protein powder to this, and it'll just be a nice little snack, a good amount of protein, because we're going to be doing a lot of hiking, and you want to have some hearty meals here. And then to go along with my sandwich, I like to get these when I travel. I don't usually eat these all the time, but I love these little hip peas. They're made out of chickpeas, and these are a great little snack to go with the sandwich. It's better than a bag of potato chips. And it's just a fun little treat that I like to do for myself when I'm going out of town and traveling. All right, let me show you snacks next. And then for snacks, I have my Simply protein bar, 15 grams of protein, 150 calories. Potatoes, of course, these are great snacks, especially when you're hiking. You can throw them in your backpack along with your protein bar, and then fruit. And this is just for display. I'm going to be bringing a whole bunch of grapes. So I'll bring fruit, grapes, apples, oranges. I've got the bananas. So any kind of fruit is a great snack, especially when you're going to be doing some heavy duty hiking like we're going to be doing up in Yosemite, where you're going to need that for energy. So these three things are great for a snack. So this was just a quick little video to show you the things I like to take with me when I go out of town, when I'm staying in an Airbnb. Now if I'm staying in a hotel, it's going to be a little bit different. But we're going to be taking like one grocery bag and one cooler, and so it's really not that much for two people. And of course my husband's going to do his own thing because he eats different than I do, and that's fine. So you want to make sure that you take care of yourself, that your foods are taken care of, and that way you feel good about the choices that you're going to make because they're right there in front of you, and you're not tempted to go grab fries or something else, pizza, I don't know what else, but just things that aren't the most healthy choice. And when I'm going out to somewhere like Yosemite where it's beautiful nature, I'm inspired to eat healthy. I feel very good, you know, being outside and hiking and being physical and getting my exercise. So why would I want to ruin that with a bunch of crap food? You know, it just doesn't make sense to me. So I like to bring along the things that I like that work for me. So remember that I'll have links down below for any recipes or products or anything that you saw in this video. So be sure to check that out. As a reminder, my online course is on sale till the end of summer. So if you are interested in something like that, please check that out. The link is below. And if you made it this far in the video, please comment below with Yosemite, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And maybe I will get some good videos and pictures for you. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.